We're on South Dakota this week, guys. Just had a group of 4 beautiful toms come in. We had a pile of birds up on the ridge. We probably weren't able to see them on the camera, but I'm telling you, we had probably 10-15 gobblers out here. Had these jokers come down the fence line with a couple hens. Hens started breaking off. Thought there's no way we're gonna be able to get these birds to come. A couple hits on the old Gobbler Down Custom Calls. We were able to pull them in. They just turned and they come right to us on a line, guys. It's amazing what a custom call and a quality call can do. A good friend Luke here, his first turkey hunt, 2 birds we got out here in South Dakota. The cunning linguist does it once again. A little help from the call girl. American made calls. Dave Smith decoys. Can't go wrong. This is what you wind up with. Success right here.
There it is, baby.